Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by learning essential gear and field layout. Wear a certified helmet, shoulder pads, mouthguard, and cleats, and use an official leather or composite football for practice. The standard field measures 100 yards between goal lines plus two 10-yard end zones, with goalposts centered on each end line. Teams field 11 players per side. Most organized games play 4 15-minute quarters, though youth games may use shorter periods. Practice basic drills, conditioning, and safety checks before moving to plays and formations. Learn the core competitive rules. The offense receives 4 downs to advance the ball at least 10 yards to reset the downs. Failing to do so usually results in a turnover on downs. Scoring values are fixed: touchdown 6 points, extra point kick 1, 2-point conversion 2, and field goal 3. A forward pass must originate from behind the line of scrimmage, and only one forward pass is permitted per play. Watch for penalties like offsides, holding, and pass interference, which cost yardage. Practice core offensive plays and simple defensive strategy. Running plays use handoffs or pitches to ball carriers. Common runs include inside zone, off tackle, and sweep to create lanes. Passing plays include quick outs, slants, curls, and deep posts. The quarterback typically reads 1 to 3 defenders and throws to the open receiver. Defensively, teams use base alignments such as 4-3 or 3-4, assigning linemen to rush, linebackers to fill run gaps, and defensive backs to cover receivers. Drill assignments, timing, and communication consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.